Hello and welcome to our discussion on accounting equation. In this session, we'll focus and understand the impact of cash purchases and credit purchases on the accounting equation. We'll take this example. So in the previous example, we saw what happened if the goods are sold on credit or goods are sold for cash. In this case, we will see the goods are purchased for cash and purchased on credit. Suppose this is the accounting equation where we have capital 500,000 and liabilities of bonds 200,000 and cash of 700,000. If stock purchased for cash, the stock will increase to the extent of 120,000 and cash will reduce to the extent of 120,000. So the acquisition of asset has resulted in reduction of cash in this case. No change in the capital and no change in the bonds. So the equation tallies because the reduction in cash is equal to increase in stock. But if the goods are purchased on credit, once again we buy the stock. Stock is an asset because they have the ability to generate cash flows in future. But cash will not reduce. But despite the cash not reduce, we have to record it because of the accrual principle. So accrual principle says a transaction should be recorded both cash and credit at the time of happening of the event. So if you have to pay later, create a payable. So therefore creditors or payables are created as a liability on the books. So no change in the bonds and no change in the capital. So in this case, acquisition of asset has resulted in creation of liability, whereas cash purchases is the acquisition of asset resulted in reduction of cash. So therefore one creates a liability called creditors and one results in reduction of cash, but both result in acquisition of asset. In this case the asset is stock of goods. So therefore the accounting equation has the ability to record any type of a transaction, whether it is a cash or credit. It is related to sales or purchases. Examine and observe the difference in the impact of the transactions on the sources side and the asset side. Thank you very much.